LOS has a double meaning. It is the international code for Lagos, for Muritala Muhammad Airport, but it's also living our stories. I travel a lot for work. And so people would be like, where in the world are you? Which country are you in? And it's like, wow, even people who live there would say, wait, this is here? And so it was a way of, how do we bring all this together in a way that helps people celebrate, see the authenticity of an African city, and that we bring the freshness of culture, arts, and everything that as a people of color, a people of, that have a richness of community and of different religions. How can we bring all that into an experience that people outside think about, but they can enjoy? So we will have two groups at first, but for the dessert, I guess a few people will join in and just put that together.
Takes away all the slime.
Yeah? Okay. That's really good.
Well done, team. Fish stew.
It's a woman-owned business, and decided that they wanted to start this small distillery in Ikeja, and they've been doing pretty well. You can find their ogogoro in really, really high, expensive bars, restaurants, and so they're going to do a tasting for us.
One of you guys said it, those are juniper berries. In order to officially be called a gin, you must be steeped, you must be, first come from grain, it must be a grain spirit that is primarily infused in juniper berries. Yeah. That is how you classify a drink as a gin. So if you smell that, I'm sure you guys, well, you lot don't drink so much gin in the US, but you might be able to smell the Gordons or the Beefeater, the Bombay, the Tanqueray, right? Yeah. That is gin. So it's a complete misnomer to come and call a palm spirit gin.
Right.
There's no way it's gin.
Cheers. Quick.
Welcome to Lagos.
Welcome to Lagos. LOS Life. Lagos was shut down the day he died. I mean, I remember watching it on TV.
Say that again?
The day Fela was buried, when the casket was being carried. I've never seen a crowd like that. Yes, I remember seeing it on the TV.
Market. There is a market in Baragu here. The market is called Vlekete Slave Market. The market was established in the year 1502, and on the market, 300 slaves have been sold in the market every market day.
This go for 40 human beings. We have a bottle of 1873 from Vienna, Austria, inside the museum, that go for 10 human beings. Then a ceramic bowl go for 10 slaves. Then mirror on the beach, they used to gather it. That's what we call bargain power. My brother can say 2 slaves, I can say 3 slaves, myself I can say 4. It depends how you could bargain and negotiate with the rest for mirror and the beads.
It's an honor to be here to let my ancestors know that they didn't die in vain and that I made it back here to honor them. And here I am. Strong, active, and powerful.
I got you. nice and beautiful. The families were so warm, and I especially loved the joy of the children. They looked like they were having so much fun, and they were very friendly. Beautiful. So I loved it. It was a real privilege to be able to see that.
You are welcome. From US? Yeah, USA, UK.
Right here.
All right. Before you go, we are going to give you a traditional name, and then you are going to dress up in agbada, like royal. Wow. So that is before you go. We dress you. You see the man up there? He's wearing sanyo. Sanyo is the traditional textile from the cocoon, the silkworm trade. So then the indigo is the color of love in Nigeria. So that is what you see them, all the girls are wearing what they make. So the dyeing technique, so they bring it back. Yes. So you're going to be your tour guide, and her name is Olachi.
There's just so much talent here. I wish I had some talent. That's what's making me think about it. I am in awe. I'm especially in love with all the mixed media pieces and seeing how the people of the country have taken every piece of material and just created beauty out of it. It is amazing.
Lagos, Nigeria, USA. All right. Thank you. What is just take one in room by yourself?
Thank you.
Naija nigbe, alaye lọ aṣẹṣe. Torí Èkó lélẹ̀, wọ́n ní Èkó làwọ̀ o. Àkànbí ń gbé Èkó lélẹ̀, àṣẹ Èkó làwọ̀ o.
Moving around, it's about taking pictures, it's about history, it's about learning. So we want you to get the vibe and think about, imagine yourself what it was like in 1960. Nigeria turns 60 next year. And I think it's very important for us to take a look back as we take a look forward.